Hi everyone, this is Inspire Beautiful. Caregiving changes you, not just your schedule, not just your energy, you. When you spend months, sometimes years, caring for someone you love, part of your own life quietly moves to the background. And sometimes you don't realize how much of yourself you set aside until the caregiving ends. If you lost yourself while caring for someone you love, this video is for you. Caregivers are often described as strong, and you were strong. You showed up when it was hard. You carried responsibilities others couldn't see. You made decisions under pressure, and you kept going when you were exhausted. That matters, but strength does not mean it didn't cost you something. It may have cost you rest, friendships, opportunities, time, and parts of your identity. That does not make you weak. It makes you human. Caregiving often requires survival mode. In survival mode, you don't ask, "What do I need?" You ask, "What needs to be done?" Over time, your preferences become unfamiliar. Self-care feels foreign, dreams feel distant, and silence feels strange. And when everything finally slows down, you may find yourself asking, "Who am I?" That question is not selfish, it's honest. You are allowed to rebuild. Rebuilding doesn't mean erasing what you did. It means reintegrating yourself. You are allowed to rest without guilt, say no without explanation, explore interests that were paused, and reconnect with parts of yourself that went quiet. Rebuilding is not betrayal, it's restoration. You carried responsibility with dignity. Now you are allowed to carry yourself with the same care. You may not return to who you were before, but you can become someone deeper, more aware, more grounded, and more intentional. The strength you used to care for someone else is still within you. Now it can support you. If you lost yourself while caring for someone you love, know this: you are not behind in life. You are not invisible, and you are not required to remain in survival mode. There is a time to rebuild gently. There is a space to rediscover who you are becoming. And there is dignity in both the caring and the returning. Inspire Beautiful. Take care, everyone. Thanks for listening.